Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix internet error on your CapCut mobile app. So this is the latest version of the app. If you have not downloaded it or updated it yet, just go ahead and do that on your app store. I think this is the version right now. Hold on, version. Okay, I have the 15.2.1 version, and CapCut is mostly like an online editing app, but there are some offline features as well. Let's open this one. Okay, it's just a video of the ocean, but basically most of the things that you'll need to edit is online, but some of them are offline, like duplicating it, for instance, and cropping and splitting. But if you need to use templates, obviously you'll need internet to do that. And for instance, your phone is already connected to the internet, but it's still showing error. You can go back to your go to settings, and then go to clear cache here, and then press confirm. You can also, if you are on an Android, I think you can clear cache from the settings of your Android, or you can press on the app and clear cache then, if I'm not mistaken. But I think that's the only way to do it. If not, you can reinstall your app as well, if for instance that still doesn't work. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.